Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make brownie brittle with brownie mix. First, gather your ingredients. 1 box of brownie mix, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of water, and 1 egg. Combine these in a bowl. Mix them gently until everything is just moistened, which usually takes about 30 seconds. Remember, it's important not to overmix. A few small lumps are actually ideal for achieving the perfect brittle texture. Now, prepare your baking sheet by lining it with parchment paper. This prevents sticking and makes removal simple. Next, spread your brownie batter incredibly thin, aiming for about 1/8 of an inch thickness, evenly across the entire sheet. Bake this at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 22 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the edges feel firm and the center is set. After baking, it's crucial to let your brownie brittle cool completely on the baking sheet. This process should take at least 30 minutes. As it cools, the brittle will naturally firm up and achieve that desirable crispiness. Once it has reached room temperature and is fully cooled, you can then gently break the large sheet into smaller, irregular, and perfectly snackable pieces. To keep your brownie brittle fresh and crispy, store it in an airtight container at room temperature. It will stay delicious for up to 1 week. You can enjoy these delightful pieces on their own, or try them as a fantastic topping for ice cream or yogurt. For an extra touch of flavor, consider sprinkling a pinch of sea salt over the batter before baking.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.